John finds it hard to believe that something called a pager ever existed. And Katie never thought she'd see a mobile phone with an antenna. Tom, he can't begin to imagine a car without a GPS system. And for Jessica, CDs and DVDs were just her parents' playthings. Remember the countless hours you spent in the amusement arcade, playing video games? Well, that's something Matthew has only seen in films. And Charlie thinks that going into a shop, choosing a pair of sneakers, and having to pay in cash or check rather than credit card is something people did way back in the 15th century. And what about those hundreds and hundreds of floppy disks you used to keep swapping around in your computer? Emma, she's never even seen one. Jack's grandfather just showed him what a video recorder was. One day, Laura, she found a box in the attic full of funny little plastic things. Her dad told her they were called audio cassettes. Harry still thinks his dad was joking when he told him he used to have a camera with film inside, that you could only see the pictures a week after taking them. And for Ben, that mobile phone in your pocket will one day seem as archaic as one of his grandfather's toys. The speed at which technology develops is incredible. Find out who's building the future. Login PT. Login PT is the IT platform that has been developing innovative products and solutions for over 15 years. Successful solutions with an impact on the lives of millions of people, allowing its clients to stand out from the crowd worldwide.